The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Douglas County in northeastern Colorado, northwestern Elbert County, southwestern Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado until 5:15 p.m. At 4:34 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Parker, or 17 miles southeast of Denver, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. The National Weather Radar indicated.
And 32% alert. That's a massive...
Severe thunderstorm warning hail damage northeastern Douglas County in northeastern Colorado, northwestern Elbert, Colorado, until Centennial, Parker, Arapahoe Park, Ponderosa Park, and the Pinery. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the southeast of Denver, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour.
Bring the show to you on side what you want for your future.
All right, we need 2, 4, and 5.
Isolationist vision for Europe and France.
Radar indicated.
Indy, one.
In a moment of weakness.
Well, absolutely. Everyone. Parliamentary elections.
Oh.
It's a risk because the French political scene.
SVR again. For me.
5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding.
Wait.
Some locations that may...
I think it joked me.
Western Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado until 5 southeast of Denver, moving southeast.
Yeah. In the meantime, what do we know?
There we go.